everyone. So we're going to go ahead and do a pre-press on our shirt. We're at 275. We're just going to give it a couple of seconds and that'll take the moisture out of it. And then today we're actually introducing another one of our foil packs of the StarCraft Foil and the Siser EasyWeed Adhesive. I just did a bunch of like, let's see, where do I want to use I'm using my scrap shirt. So let's just go ahead and do it on the end there. So I have one more spot to do scraps. And then we're at 275 and we're going to press that for about 10 seconds. All right, and then you can peel this hot. I have a couple of small pieces on there. I gotta make sure I get those off. Let's see, all of the small pieces are off. And then now we're going to put our foil on. This 6-pack has like the crackled ice, it has oil slick, we've got a purple, a pink, a green, and a blue. And we're just going to kind of place our colors sporadically because we are just gonna make some colorful lips to show you all the awesome colors and the versatility that we have with foil. So we'll put that there. It is kind of hard to see the EasyWeed adhesive. I'm going to have to do a little bit of a better job this time than I did on the leopard one because I had part of my T missing. To see this oil slick one is really cool. I really like that. And then we've got some blue and cracked ice. Let's see here, where can I put this guy? This one's really cool. I probably should have used a little bit more of that. I've got some here. Oh, I forgot to turn up my heat press. We're going to turn the heat press up to 280. Let that heat up a little bit while we do this. Okay, let's see. Any more glue? I'm not sure if I missed anything, so I'm going to take this big sheet of this cracked ice. You see, we're putting everything face up. And we're just, the main purpose of this sheet is to kind of catch all the little bits that if I missed anything. Okay, so we're at 280 and we're going to go ahead and press that. We're going to give it 12 seconds. I had it set at 15, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I'm going to go ahead and pause this right now because this has to be completely cold and I don't want to make you wait to do that. So we'll be back in just a second with this cold and to show you how it peels. Okay, so we're completely cold. I just kind of moved over to a side table and we're going to go ahead and peel these off. I was a little bit more patient today, so hopefully we have a little bit of a better result with the peeling. Okay, so it looks like the cover sheet did a little bit of a job there. We have a spot it needed. Let's see. Ooh, pretty. With all my layers, I can't tell where I started. Oh, these are cute. Okay, we're calling this the jewel pack just because there's a lot of jewel tones in it. We got the cracked ice, the oil slick, the pink, the purple, the green, and everything is just pulling up fantastic. Is that it? Okay. So if we would have made those a little bit smaller, those are our lips. Let's see, I feel like I have something that didn't peel. There we go. Oh my gosh, those turned out super cute. So that's another way that you can use multiple colors of foil. You can use any design that you want to, and you can lay the foil wherever you want it. So if you actually wanted it in a certain spot, you could put it in a certain spot. I saw someone do like a beach scene once with like an umbrella and a chair, and on the umbrella they made each of the little things a different piece of foil color. So it's really possible to do anything with it. You can see it, so it's a nice shiny. I would love to see a lot of distressed patterns and SVGs that you guys do. I think it would look really good with some distressed stuff. So just knowing that it would turn out like that. But we've got some great color. I'm loving the cracked ice. The oil slick is really cool. And then the nice bold foil on the other ones. So there you go. That's our second pack that we're introducing. We're calling it the jewel pack, and I'll leave the link in the description of the video. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.